Hey man, you listen to this cop car. His car needs an oil change. You hear that clicking noise? Look what I found.
Oh, hell no, dude, I ain't missing.
Do you want to use?
I have a potato, look.
Oh, we gotta get out of here.
He's right there.
Oh my god! Bro, I see you.
What the fuck is a Nails Diner?
I don't know what Nell's Diner is, bro. Hi guys. When most of you see this, it'll be a YouTube video. Subscribe to Wazers. He's a pretty sexy guy. Enjoy the video. Oh fuck. Yeah, we got Nell's Diner!
Kevin, do you even know where King of Prussia is?
No.
Bro, how do you not know where King of Prussia is? This is like the biggest city, the best city, some say the greatest city.
This guy lives in New Jersey, by the way, talking about some best city.
Don't say that, bro. I fucking hate. I don't claim Jersey residents at all. No. You could call Kevin. You could call me.
Whoa! Guys, I don't condone this, dude. Let me know if we are literally in Waffle House right now. We're about to see two black females fight each other.
Dude.
How can Rhode Island be a state, but Puerto Rico can't be a state?
Because they speak Spanish there.
Bro's never been to New Mexico.
Quite
frankly, we're gonna name it. Dude, watch Trump be like, quite frankly, I love Mexico, but the name is a little iffy. Let's name it Old Mexico or Newer Mexico after the beautiful American state, New Mexico. They're gonna name Cuba Newest Mexico. Kate, you with us?
It's EMF 5.
EMF 5?
Yeah, that's EMF 5. We got EMF 5.
Yo, it might be a wraith.
What's that one thing called? Wait a minute.
Oh, wait, I think we just got fucking, what's it called?
Yeah, that's
Dots.
What I just seen. That's what I just seen. I thought it was.
Hold on, let's turn off the lights and look, just so we can make sure. Cause I'm very positive I saw that.
I saw it too. I think that's solidified.
That means it's a wraith. It would be a wraith, cause it's not stepping in the salt. Alright, I think it's a wraith.
Kevin, can you put me in the basement?
Wait, doesn't he have barbecue and chili?
He might.
Kevin, where's my basement?
Shh, I gotta hear.
Kevin.
Kevin. Love this map and decimated Portugal and Toby Landing.
Kevin, please say you love
Kevin.
me. I need your affection.
Why did it take so long to
I
get
need your
out?
affection, Kevin.
Kevin, I need your professional opinion on the professional color spray paint.
Kevin, what's the best color?
Kevin.
Steak. Kevin.
Kevin, what size nail clipper do you use? Kevin.
Kevin, what's your favorite paint?
Kevin, what's your favorite shape of hat?
Kevin.
Kevin.
What's your favorite
Hey,
bouncy
Adam.
ball?
Kevin, what's your kind of favorite flavor of chewing gum?
Kevin. What's your favorite size paper?
Kevin, do you prefer pancakes or waffles?
Kevin, do you prefer the real maple syrup? Or the artificial?
Jesus.
Kevin, do you prefer the clicky bottle pen or do you prefer the fountain pen?
Yes, man. What's your favorite kind of bird?
Kevin, have you ever been to SeaWorld?
Kevin, have you ever tried on the two-piece?
Genuinely fucking distracting. Kevin, have you ever tried going out to bikini?
Kevin, have you ever tried on a spray can?
Kevin, have you ever been to Long Island?
Kevin, have you ever considered trying a beer?
Kevin, have you ever considered...
Kevin, what's your favorite Mark Twain?
What did I do to you?
Kevin, I think he got you.
Guys, this is so awful. This is so awful, guys.
Kevin, I think he might have killed you.
Oh my fucking god.
Kevin, how many blood points did you receive from that badge? I received 29,501.
I hate this so much.
Oh, hell no, to an IMS.
Do you want to use it? Do you want to use it? You should use it. Use it. Use it. Alright, I'll use it. I'll use it.
No, I'm...
How old are you? Please be 18. Please be 18. 34? Damn! You're old as fuck!
Your mic is so bad. Well, Ash
Where are
you? Evil. We already know where it is.
Oh, we gotta get out of here. We got... We died. We died. I accidentally used the incense. We gotta hide. We gotta hide. He's coming. He's coming through the kitchen.
He's right there.
Oh my god!
He's so fast.
I swear to God, if we both saw this.
I'm dead.
No! Get!
What's your favorite battery?
By daylight.
What's
Kevin.
my favorite battery?
Kevin.
Which one of you said that? Which one of you said that?
That was nasty.
Kevin,
Guys.
you like a Duplo.
I think it's another form of Assyrian.
Okay, yeah, this guy's drunk as shit and we're losing him right now.
Kevin,
Kevin.
I thought you were
What's
drunk
your
as shit
favorite
from your
species
one
of
balloon
maple
balloon.
tree?
Kevin,
Kevin,
have
what
you
are
what?
Kevin?
Guys,
Kevin,
please.
do you,
Please show me
do you,
Hold
mercy.
on for just
do
a
you
second, please.
Kevin, do you take cold showers?
Matthew, you've doomed us all. Bro, where the fuck is this ghost? Walter, you're a pussy ass bitch.
The danger.
Oh, I just heard whispering noises.
Why me?
We're in the same locker, that's funny as fuck!